While it may seem tempting to grab that promising face scrub looking right at you from the store aisle, hold your horses. Hi, I'm Shikha and I'm here to save a lot of your money as I'm going to show you 3 DIY homemade face scrubs that will be the solution to all your skin problems. So let's get started. It's time to get your carbs on. On your face, I mean. Rice has been used as a natural beauty aid by Asian women for years together. Its natural oil-absorbing properties make it great for oily skin as well as dull and mature skin. Rice also has anti-inflammatory properties that help whiten the skin, smoothen your skin as well as smooth sunburns. What you need for the rice scrub is no points for guessing, rice. Take half a bowl of rice and also take a mortar and pestle. This mortar and pestle will be used to grind the rice. Now grind up the rice to make it into a powdery texture, almost as if you're making rice powder. But do not make it too powdery as the rice is the exfoliant in this face scrub. You can also use a blender to grind the rice. Now there are 2 ways to use this rice scrub. You can either activate it by adding some water or use a lemon, dip it in directly and apply it on your face as a face scrub. Lemon also has active ingredients that help lighten and brighten the skin. If you're like me and cannot do without your cup of coffee, then this scrub is for you. Coffee has active ingredients that help not only wake you up, but it also wakes your skin up. Coffee helps stimulate the blood by dilating the blood vessels, therefore toning and tightening the skin. Your skin will instantly feel plump and tight post the application of this scrub. Now simply take some coffee or coffee grounds that you get out of brewing your coffee. Now add some oil to this mixture. You can add any oil that suits your skin type. Not only will the oil help bind the coffee scrub together, but it will also act as a natural conditioner. A coffee is not only invigorating for your facial skin, but when applied to your body, it helps fight cellulite as well as stretch marks. Now on a healthier note, let's make a green tea scrub. So the next time you brew some green tea or drink your green tea, do not throw the tea bag away. Instead, make a face scrub out of it. Green tea helps buff dead skin cells away. It unclogs your pores as well as brightens your skin. All you need to do is brew your green tea as you would, then rip your tea bag open once it's cooled down. Now these crushed tea leaves from your green tea bags are your exfoliants. I often like to add honey to my green tea to add some flavor, and I'm going to do the same to my face scrub. Just add 1 teaspoon of honey to your green tea. Honey has great antioxidant properties that help brighten the skin, moisturize the skin, as well as fade away those acne scars. This will also bind your scrub together. That's it guys, those were our 3 simple homemade face scrubs. I hope these scrubs were helpful, and if you guys try them, then comment below and let us know. We'll see you in our next video. Bye!